Welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on this really beautiful glam and glittery Valentine's Day look. I think this look will be perfect for a date night. We're taking the Color Workshop Eyeshadow Primer and priming our eyes with it, which I've already done off camera, using that e.l.f. High Definition Powder to catch fallout. And we're using the Color Workshop eyeshadow palette in LOVESTRUCK. Perfect for Valentine's Day. We're taking a beautiful shimmery burgundy shade and popping that in the crease here. And this time I am taking it above the crease area. I like the blend that I get with the burgundy and the brow highlight, so I take it up a bit higher in this look. And we're literally packing the shade in our crease. A lot of these colors are hit and miss, and you really have to work with them. This one's beautiful, but it does take time to build it up. I'm mixing these two shades here, which is like a peachy and like a light pink, and I'm using that as a transition kind of blend color for the edge of the burgundy shadow. And here I'm picking up brow bone highlight, applying that underneath the brow and blending down into the other shadows. And the first brow shadow I picked was shimmery, and the next one that I just picked up on camera is matte. I applied that on top of it to make it less shimmery, and I like the outcome of that. Taking this light shimmery gold shade and applying that to the lid first before I put any glitter down. You can skip this step altogether if you're doing the glitter, but I just wanted to do it. The e.l.f. Glitter Primer. I really am digging this product. I can't believe I forgot it was even in my collection. So I'm applying that all over the lid. And after I apply it, I'm going to let it set for just a few seconds before I start popping the glitter on top. Color Workshop Glitter Powder. This is a gold one. And applying that to the lid, and the camera obviously is having a hard time focusing because of the glitter particles, the background, and the motions I'm making. So I'm going to blend the eyeshadow a bit with the glitter. It will drag some of the glitter into the crease, but that's okay. And like always, I just go back and with all the colors and stuff. Now I'm applying that light gold shimmer shade in the inner corner and applying the burgundy shade on the lower lash line. This look really makes my green eyes pop. I love it. I love wearing burgundy slash red shades. Of course, we're using that Milani eyeliner to tightline with and using it on the lower waterline. We're using the Color Workshop liquid eyeliner, and most of these Color Workshop products that you're seeing me use in this video come from the Ultimate Blockbuster Color Set and the Hollywood Starlet Set, using the Covergirl Katy Perry Mascara. And that's the eyes. We are done. The lip, I chose to do a nude lip, and this is a Rimmel lipstick, one of the Kate lipsticks, number 14. And it's literally just a basic nude. I love this one though, it's so beautiful. But yes, that's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and stay tuned for more makeup tutorials.